Hi, I'm Adam Lambay, and today we're going to leave India behind and travel a little farther down the spice trade route to the Middle East and make a dish that I call roasted Persian chicken. All right, to get started, we are going to make a saffron tea. Now, saffron is one of the most expensive spices in the world, so we only need just a few threads. And to that, we'll add a little bit of warm water. While that's steeping, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. Sesame seed, the juice and zest of 1 lemon, salt and pepper, ground cinnamon, Italian parsley, tahini, Turkish oregano, and chopped fresh garlic. We'll give that a little quick stir, and then our olive oil, and finally the saffron tea that's been steeping. We'll add that to that. And now the fun part. Roll your sleeves up, grab the chicken, and rub all of this flavor onto it, making sure that you get all the nooks, all the crannies, and of course the cavity. I really like to stuff quite a bit of garlic and herbs inside the cavity, so all that flavor penetrates from the inside out. All right, the chicken is ready. We're going to transfer to our roasting pan. And then don't forget all those wonderful bits. Pour it right over the chicken. And there you have it. We are ready to head to the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, ideally overnight. We've rested the bird for about 20 minutes. Now that is a very important step because that's going to allow the juices to soak back into the bird, which will ensure that it's moist.